Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Scott brought us his Road Glide to do an NVS Audio Stage 2 high power. He was debating between the Stage 2, which is one 800 watt amp powering the 6.5s and the 6 nines and lids, or the Stage 2 high power, which is two 800 watt amps powering the 6 nines and lids. So it would be 1 amp for the fairing and 1 amp for the lids. So our Stage 2 high power is popular for people like Scott that want the most output possible within reason. They want really good, strong mid bass, but they do not want any speakers in the saddlebags. So he said, I want it to sound the best it could sound without cutting holes in the side of the saddlebags and adding woofers and adding bass. So that's literally why our Stage 2 high power is built. It's literally the same amount of power that we use in our Stage 3. The difference, instead of sending all that power to the 8-inch mid bass drivers in the bags, we send them to the 6 nines and the lids. This setup is not for everybody. You have to have a good ear. You have to have good control, because running this much power can easily wipe out all 4 speakers. So whenever we do a build like this, we take the time to do the final tune with the client's phone, go over the client's playlist, show him what he should do, show him what he shouldn't do. And honestly, if you're really heavy with the volume knob and you're a knucklehead, maybe you shouldn't run that much power to the speakers. Maybe you should do more speakers on lower power. But Scott's got a really good ear. We trained with his phone. We went through different music. I showed him what the safe volume is, and he said the bike was more than loud enough, more than powerful enough, so he wouldn't have to take it all the way up. So our Stage 2 high power is really popular, and this is exactly why. You get as much power as a Stage 3, but on only 4 speakers. Everything's weatherproof. You have 100% of the storage in your bags. It's not going to replace a set of 8s, but it's going to give you a ton of output. Then it's one of the most powerful 4-speaker setups, while keeping everything factory, without cutting any of the factory harnesses, without putting too much stress on the battery, it's just a really good all-around rider setup. Check it out. For his setup, we chose HK Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness, Cicada BDA 600.4s, 2 of them, one under the radio and one on top of the headlight. All oxen-free copper wiring, of course. NVS Audio rear speaker saddleback harnesses with the XT60s already on. Cicada lid cut-in kit. He didn't care for the louvered look of the Hertz kit. Half-inch spacers and the Hertz 690 Neos. Check it out.
future, but it seems God's been waiting for you all into this place, giving you a small taste of your afterlife. So stay, you'll be back as soon as I see a distant line. My girl, this can't be right. Nothing's getting through to me. Hypnotized from all my surroundings. I wanna be something I could never be. I wanna say things that I could never say. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Say I can't know. I'm tired of everything. My life dragged down, ripping up.
Something new. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Niggas wanna try, niggas wanna lie, then niggas wonder why, niggas wanna die. All I know is pain, all I feel is pain. How can I maintain with that shit on my brain? I resort to violence, my niggas moving silence, like you don't know what I style is. New York niggas the wildest, my niggas is with it. You want it? Come and get it. Took it, then we split it. You fucking right, we did it. What the fuck you